It's soup season, y'all.
Hey y'all, what y'all doing? Nothing? I ain't think so. Today I'm cooking for some beautiful people again. You know how we share our love. We like to cook and help people out. Today we'll be making a chicken gnocchi soup, as opposed to chicken gnocchi soup. Yeah. Well, however you want to say it, tomato. If you want to see me make this soup, you know what you gotta do first. Wash them dirty hands.